let the Romanian Easter festivities begin.
Hard to stir 6 breads worth of sourdough? What's it called again?
Rulouri.
A Romanian cannoli?
Yes.
Poate să mai dăm niște și eu.
Nu cred. Neither.
Someone's excited about the Easter eggs.
Pe cap, pe foc. Da, zic acolo.
Romanian croissant.
Cornulețe.
Cum se zice de dulceață, gem.
So while I slept on the morning of Romanian Orthodox Good Friday, around 7 o'clock in the morning, Bianca took this video of her mom making pască bread. That's the traditional Romanian Easter bread. It's made with a sweet yeast dough.
Happy Easter Friday. I love this classic Romanian soba. Where's the fire? Oh yeah, what's going on up here?
Sausage and some steak.
I smell Easter. The completed pască bread. Oh, you're in your element.
Yes.
Life is good.
At this part of the program, there is a slaughter of a lamb. I'm not going to include it in this video. But if you want to see it, click the link. It's rated R. Figured I'd keep it separate.
Was this Wilma or Maya Sandu?
Maya Sandu.
Ah, great yeast starter that Maya is. So kozanak by Anka.
Ia.
Well done. Oh my goodness, it's cornulețe. It's a dessert.
Da.
Jam? Marshmallow? Is there marshmallow in here?
Yes.
Oh. Perfect. Perfect roll.
Yes.
Nu, felie, nu,
Dar
da.
pe alegeți tu care vrea.
No meat in honor of Good Friday.
Da, oricum
Good Orthodox
stă
Friday.
la masă.
Ah, there he is, the new rooster. Ah, welcome.
Welcome, my
Hey, go and defend.
Nu speriați.
Go meet your bitches.
You're looking at prapor. Remember it from yesterday's lamb slaughter? It's the membrane that the butcher pulled out.
Sunt peste mână, dar na. Și grăsimea asta se topește în timp ce...
What's the dish called?
Drob.
Stuffed lamb ribs.
Da, le poți să le pui în astea parte și rulada aia, n-are importanță.
Ooh, ruladă. Whoa. How? Why?
Like this.
Oh.
I saw it on TikTok.
Niște nuși lângă brânză?
Da, și
Niște zile.
Basically, everything unappealing in a lamb goes into making this.
And it tastes so good.
Sau poți să-l faci...
Hai, haide la degustat.
Dacă vrei, poți să pun altă.
Ionuț.
I'm gonna undo everything you just did. Suspicious looking seat for the new outhouse.
După ce ai pus. După ce ai pus pe tot.
Grilled lamb.
Nu, înainte ea pune beton. Ce pun beton.
Trebuie, da, sigur, nu mă punem zamă. Că dacă nu împart cu tata.
Vrei și ai de acolo. Dar na, e greu accesibil.
Search.
4x4. Azi bine.
Christ is coming. What are you doing, Vanu?
I'm waiting for the Christ to...
The Christ. What are you doing?
Waiting for you to roll your dice.
Christ is rising in 6 minutes.
And we will gonna be late.
We might miss it, but we're off to the church to get the light that was flown in from the Church of the Holy Sepulchre in Jerusalem.
Yeah.
And then
say it.
we're going to use it to light our cigarettes, or what do we do with it?
No. We light some candles.
We light some candles, and then we have dinner after
Exactly.
midnight sometime.
Yeah.
Happy Easter. Not yet. Soon. People get their Easter baskets blessed.
Hristos a înviat, Ed.
It's 1 o'clock in the morning, time for our second dinner of the evening. This egg, in case you're wondering, is the champion egg.
No. This is the champion.
This egg is the champion egg.
We will see.
You think your egg has a shot
I
in
think
hell?
mine has the best chance.
This one? This one?
Does not allow
Or
it.
this one? I am the board. Yeah.
Da, da.
Yeah, this one I don't like. I like this one.
Alegeți.
This is the winning egg. Oh, you're gonna lose too soon.
Yeah, I'm
This is the
loser.
one. This is the one.
Oh, we'll see.
It's all about how you hold
Las
it.
fi la mic.
He feels good about this. Hristos a înviat.
Adevărat am indiat.
La spart?
Hristos a înviat.
Adevărat am viat.
Gata, de spart.
Da, mai aveți un colț.
Yeah.
Who's next? Hristos a înviat.
Adevărat înviat.
Bravo, iubi!
Îl iau eu ăsta.
Stuffed lamb ribs. It's kind of the same, like drob is inside. Liver, kidneys, and then you have some eggs and some green things. Drob. Just your average breakfast in Sighetu.
Mai vrea ceva cu minerală?
Da.
Everyone sparkling water?
Okay.
Mai spargem și azi ouă?
Da, sigur, dacă vreți.
Haide, nu voi ieși.
O tură de concurs, să vedem. Poate câștigă el.
Did you win?
Yeah,
Ah!
of course.
Okay.
Hristos a înviat.
Adevărat.
You win.
Hristos a înviat.
Adevărat am viat.
Bia. Hristos a înviat.
Adevărat am viat.
The winner.
You won! Congratulations! How does it feel? How does it feel to be a winner?
I feel very good.
There's the bridge linking Romania on the right to Ukraine on the left. Yeah, see, no thing.
Asta e vechi. Facem mult, dar dacă
Appetizer.
facem mult, cum e?
Hristos a înviat.
Adevărat am viat.
Prin reprezentant.
This is the part of Easter where we go to Grandma's house to get drunk.
Așa, după...
Trebuie să ține, că eu nu iau. Dă-o la mine.
Grandma's țuică, bunica țuică. Hristos a înviat.
Adevărat a înviat.
Mulțumesc, bunica. Lunch number 3.
Observați,
Lamb.
vreți să tai...
Adevărat am viat. Adevărat am viat. Cheers. Sănătate.
Va bine.
A, mami, și tu aveai paharul.
Tuții.
Tu cred că numai la vacă nu vei.